This act has brought in a very important component of representation of sugarcane farmers, that is the development of the Kenya Research Institute that has been put into the act and to be implemented from the very act. This Research Institute will not only be helping our farmers look at the varieties that need to be planted for us to have optimum sucrose level in our sugarcane factories, but we know that this sugar industry will also bring employment opportunities for our children. It will bring research capacity to our people, and therefore improve the productivity and the development of sugarcane cane in the region of the lower region, central region of Kisumu, Kericho and Nandi counties. It is the feeling of our farmers, as we are talking to the Minister for Agriculture, that this Kenya Sugar Research Institute be implemented in Kericho County, and particularly Soinward, where a good number of production of sugarcane, a good number of farmers are coming from, particularly from Kericho region, who are developing sugar. We are welcoming this act because of the enactment of that sugar development levy that will not only see the development, the production, but as well as also the maintenance of road networks in the areas that are developing sugarcane. This sugar development levy again is not only being put for the purposes of development of sugar alone, but it will also benefit factories, it will benefit farmers, it will benefit research and development.